Honestly, guys, the car is super dirty right now. It's just been raining and raining, and then my car sits under a tree. It's not that I don't have time to clean it, it's just I don't have time because of all the rain. And then when it isn't raining, it's forecasted to rain the next day. I do need to clean it because you still don't want the paint to get damaged and stuff. So car's looking good. We did get some new mods for it. They're just not on the car yet. Again, I'm in Washington State. We've been having floods. There's way too much rain and I don't have a garage. If I had a garage, it'd be a lot easier. That's also why I've been releasing the face cam videos rather than things with the car. Now, I want some of your guys' opinions. Tail lights. I'm thinking of either getting clears or getting C8 style. Now, the C8 style look more aggressive, but they kind of don't match the shape of the car. So I'm thinking of just getting clears because when the lights are on, they look nice, but when they're off, it kind of offsets the car. It doesn't really, like when they're glowing, they're fine, but when they're not glowing, it looks a little weird. And that, it's pretty early in the morning, so let's go ahead and hop in the car. It's perfect because the car's already warmed up. Trying different modes and different settings with the camera to see which one's gonna like work the best for this type of angle. Now I don't know how this one's gonna turn out. Now, like I was talking about the floods, thankfully I'm not affected in the area I live. In fact, compared to everywhere else, my area has probably been one of the most dry ones. The back roads that I always take whenever I want to, like, I mean, it's just the back roads to the back roads, right? Like, they literally lead you everywhere. Sadly, they are now like an ocean. Like, they literally do not exist anymore. My area has experienced such little flooding while everyone else has been, like, you know, completely submerged. I didn't think that an area so close by me was completely gone. I don't know, it's kind of insane to think about because, like it's not an understatement. Like, I could take a boat and just the roads I drive on in the back roads, I could literally just have a boat and drive on them with a boat. Honestly, I kind of want to go and see the flood, so I'm probably going to drive towards that way, and I'm probably going to have to walk a lot of it because I don't know where the flood starts, so I probably wouldn't be able to turn around. Dude, when you step on this car, oh my gosh. It's crazy how long second gear lasts when you want it to last. I like short shifting because I don't want to redline the car all the time. But it is insanely fun to get up towards redline. It kind of does, but oh, holy shit. Bro. Dude, that is fucking crazy. How are you driving out of there? This is genuinely my first time seeing this. Apparently you could drive down there. I'm kind of afraid to, but I'm down to see what's going on. Dude. Wow. Like, this is the back road. I'm gonna have to see if I have footage of me driving over here. Is it? Okay, it is safe. Insane. I could literally see the roof of a house right now. Alright guys, so I'm sorry for that detour. It's really sad, honestly, what's happening here, but like, wow, that is insane. I was recording a video about daily driving this car, but I think I'm not gonna post the parts where I was talking about that. So there's gonna be a lot of like missing sections. But like, cause I'm just so shocked like at what I seen. Like, it's just like my mind is struggling to talk about the car. I feel like seeing stuff like that is just a reminder to always stay grateful. I don't know, I've always found it so soothing to just cruise like this, drive my car whenever I get the chance to, and just play some music and stuff like that. I feel like it's just so nice and so relaxing. You know, you get to drive your car. Oh my God, bro. There's no fucking way, bro. Is he about a U-turn? I'm out. Dude, no way he's about a U-turn. Everyone's going faster than me, bro. Like, there's no way we U-turn there. I mean, he might have not been U-turning for me, you know. I'm not gonna say that, but like, bro, really, dude? Like, why else would he be U-turning other than to pull someone over? Like, everyone's driving the same. Like, no one's going crazy speeding. I just pulled into some bougie neighborhood now. The only reason I'm not turning around, by the way, is because when there's a bougie neighborhood, there usually is a really nice spot for car photos, right? So, you know, you gotta take advantage when you can. This might be weird. If you catch me outside your house, I may be admiring it. I don't know. I don't know if, like, I know people like going to car dealers and looking at expensive cars and stuff and, you know, manifesting it, like, just trying to look at it and stuff. I like doing that too. I like going to dealerships, seeing expensive cars, looking at them and stuff. I don't know. I like going through nice, like, these type of nice neighborhoods and just, like, looking at the houses. Like, now this place probably got an HOA. Lord, do I not want to be a part of one of those. But we started with a video in mind of us talking about how is this car as a daily. But I was talking about on the side, yo, like, there's a flood, blah, blah, blah. When you went to the flood, that thing was shocking. A cop turns around, makes us go into a random neighborhood. And now we're, you know, we're touring some houses. I'm going to go ahead and drive home. But I appreciate y'all for tuning into the video. I know it's a little bit of a random drive, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I'm going to go ahead and see y'all later. Toodles. Peace.